Hello, DevALMO here, and I'm for the more excited with the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's learn about styled components. Here is our application running. This first example, I used CSS just to compare, and those two we are using styled components. Let's see how this works. Here we have our React application running. We have only two files added in, that is the style.css and a style.js. The style.js is so we can use all style components, but if you are using style components, you shouldn't use a .css file. As we already have all the tabs right here, we don't need this anymore. I'm gonna close it. To import a normal CSS file, we are just gonna do this. We are gonna create a class name. We are naming it title, and we are applying the CSS effects to it. If we can see, I am applying the color blue and the color dark blue. Let me keep the application side by side so you can have a better idea. So this is what the CSS is doing. Now let's go to the style components and why we should use it instead. We are gonna create components to apply the CSS to the style component. Here you can see that I'm creating the component title. The title is being imported right here. This style is a .js style. And right here we have the file. So to use this, we are gonna import style from style components. Don't forget to install it. We just need to do like this, yarn add style components. And you press enter, this will run and it will install it. I won't do this because I already did and I'm running it right now, so you can see this effect. This will take a while and then we are good to go. Now for the title component that we are importing. In here we are calling style and can be called with any HTML tag. So in here we are using a h1, but this could be a div, this could be a p, this could be a span. Then we add the two accents like this, and inside here we'll have our CSS code. So this right here is the style component. We can see that I'm applying the color red to it. This right here is a little darker. Why is that? Because this is a span and we are applying the dark red color to this span, and I added it in here so we could illustrate that we can just open HTML tag in here and start styling through here. Another good thing to keeping in mind about styled components would be that we can declare a parameter and pass a value to it, and we can use this value. We are using that parameter right here. We are calling a function. This function is receiving props, and inside props we will have font size, and that's how we are gonna use it. We can see that the font is bigger than the others. We can alter the value so you can see it better. The CSS we are applying with styled component is only inside of this component. We can also create new components with component that we already created in mind. So this title green right here, we are creating for it to use title at its primary target. It will get all the properties of title and use it for itself. We are calling title green. Inside brackets, we will add title, and we are gonna create an accent just like before, and in here we are gonna add the new styling that we want to add. Notice that this way we receive all the styling but the props. So what I mean by that is in here we have a span. We don't have a span in here, but is receiving the dark red color. So if we add a font size in here of 14 pixels, this also be applied to the title green. the video content was useful to you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also add me in social media, the links are available in the description. The code we just did will be in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video, bye bye!